Hi, welcome to ISE 2019. My name is John Higgins from 7thSense. We are talking today about our new Pico server. It's a small form factor 4K 60 fully uncompressed player. It comes with 3 storage options of 225 gigabytes, 450 gigabytes and 900 gigabytes. It also has dual NIC on the back, so we have a dedicated Dante network, and one of those NICs is a 10 gigabit NIC. It's a high performance player. It runs the same software that all of our servers use, from the smallest of this little guy all the way up to the biggest server that we do. It's a ruggedized design, so there's some internal features in here that allow it to be used on motion platforms for ride cars or environments where the temperatures can get quite high. As well as coming with a VESA mount on the bottom of the unit, we also supply a rack mount interface for mounting 1, 2 or 3 units in a rack together. We also have a shock and vibration plate which allows it to be mounted in harsher environments. It's available now. If you need any more information, then please look at our website at 7thSensedesign.com.